At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, November 1, 2023, 5 investors betting big on AMD stock. AI sentiment is boosting AMD stock. Advanced Micro Devices stock is shooting higher following a third quarter beat. Artificial intelligence-focused endeavors helped mitigate the impact of AMD's lower-than-expected fourth-quarter sales guidance. Nevertheless, 5 major investors are placing some big bets on AMD stock. After struggling for traction amid broader tech sector worries, Advanced Micro Devices, Nasdaq AMD, stock is shooting up more than 9% in the afternoon session today. Undergirding sentiment is a positive but somewhat mixed financial disclosure. Specifically, the company's aggressive focus on artificial intelligence is helping mitigate demand shortfalls in the gaming segment. Further, major investors appear optimistic about AMD stock. According to CNBC, AMD disclosed its third quarter earnings report yesterday, beating analyst expectations but also falling short for its fourth quarter outlook. For the 3 months ended September, the firm posted adjusted EPS of 70 cents, beating the consensus target of 68 cents. On the top line, AMD also rang up sales of $5.8 billion versus the consensus expectation of $5.7 billion. Still, management admitted that fourth quarter revenue will land between $5.8 billion and $6.4 billion, while the average analyst estimate for fourth quarter lands at $6.4 billion. Although AI continues to dominate the broader semiconductor narrative, AMD can't afford to ignore its bread and butter. In that regard, lower than anticipated sales in the video game segment hurt the company's fourth quarter outlook. Management also anticipates a weakened backdrop for the industrial, automotive and networking systems sectors. AMD stock rises on strong sentiment for AI. While everyday concerns clearly exist for AMD stock, shares have still managed to rise robustly based on AI aspirations. Notably, Advanced Micro Devices' latest MI300 processor will begin shipping soon. That's massive news because, per Bloomberg, the MI300 will compete directly with NVIDIA in the lucrative AI accelerator market. Further, Bloomberg reports that MI300 has received strong early orders, including from large cloud computing customers. Projections call for the chip to bring in $400 million in sales in fourth quarter. Ultimately, the MI300 is expected to generate over $2 billion in 2024. "We think the market is huge," said AMD CEO Lisa Su. "We're playing to win and we think MI300 is a great product. I'm encouraged with the progress we're making with the hardware and software." Clearly, institutional investors agree, as evidenced by their bidding up of AMD stock. The top 5 institutional investors in Advanced Micro Devices are as follows. 1. Vanguard Group holds an 8.6% stake, or 138.90 million shares with a value of $14.93 billion. 2. BlackRock holds 7.46%, or 120.58 million shares with a value of $12.96 billion. 3. State Street holds a 4.03% stake, or 65.18 million shares with a value of $7.01 billion. 4. FMR holds 3.13%, or 50.64 million shares with a value of $5.44 billion. 5. T. Rowe Price holds a 2.5% stake, or 40.37 million shares with a value of $4.34 billion. That said, investors will want to be cautious about overexposure. Per CCS Insight, generative AI may get a cold shower next year as the realities of AI integration, including the costs and complexities, clouds the hype surrounding the technology. Why it matters? According to TipRanks, analysts peg AMD stock as a consensus strong buy. This assessment breaks down as 22 buy ratings and 7 holds. Interestingly, 4 of those hold ratings were reiterated today. Overall, the average price target for shares lands at $129.03, implying roughly 20% upside potential. Thanks for watching.